Dubai, a city of wealth, innovation, and limitless ambition. But beyond its breathtaking skyline, there lies a hidden gem, one that redefines the very meaning of luxury. Welcome to the most expensive property in Dubai, a residence that doesn't just represent wealth, but absolute exclusivity. Tucked away in the heart of Palm Jumeirah, this estate is valued at over $250 million. That's not just a number, it's a statement. A declaration that says, this is not for everyone. But what makes a home cost that much? Let's take a walk through the details that turn this property into something out of a dream. From the outside, the property's architecture is bold and modern, but deeply harmonious with its surroundings. Clean lines meet Arabian elegance. Natural elements blend with futuristic technology. And the moment you pass through the gates, you feel it. This place is different. You're not just entering a home, you're stepping into a lifestyle that only a few in the world will ever touch. High above, golden chandeliers illuminate the space with a warm glow. The walls are wrapped in hand-woven silk from Japan, and the air is subtly scented, custom designed by a French perfumer for this exact residence. Every element has been thought through, every decision intentional. The house features 10 bedrooms, each one a sanctuary of peace and design. But these aren't just rooms. They are personal retreats. Each has its own theme, color palette, and mood. One room is inspired by Moroccan riads, with intricate tile work and ambient lantern lighting. The bathrooms rival the best spas in the world. Heated floors, rain showers, infinity mirrors, bathtubs carved from a single block of stone. Even the towel racks are heated, and the lighting can be adjusted for mood, time of day, or even to match the guests' preferences. Then there's the heart of the home, the living area. Wide, open, filled with light. Floor-to-ceiling glass that slides silently to reveal the sea. There's no need for paintings on the walls when your view is the Arabian Gulf. The mansion includes a personal cinema. Not a room with a screen, but a theater. Acoustic panels, velvet seating, a private concession bar, and a ceiling that simulates the Dubai night sky. The kitchen? There are 3. One for show, one for service, one for the private chef. State-of-the-art appliances, temperature-controlled wine storage, and a staff corridor to keep operations seamless and invisible. Underground, there's a garage unlike any other. Not just for parking, but for showcasing. With space for over 20 vehicles, the floor is polished stone, the lighting is gallery style, and the walls feature displays of rare car parts, art, and digital installations. It's more of a museum than a garage. Head to the rooftop and you'll find the infinity pool. It stretches across the top of the property, disappearing into the horizon. At sunset, the reflection of the sky in the water makes you forget where you are. Private lounges, a built-in bar, and a sound system integrated beneath the deck complete the experience. Let's not forget the staff quarters, private, discreet, and fully equipped. A team of chefs, housekeepers, security personnel, and concierge staff work 24/7 to ensure that the owner never has to ask for anything. It's already done. What makes this place so special isn't just the materials or the technology. It's the experience, the silence, the control, the peace. In a city that never sleeps, this property offers total privacy, total command. And what about the owner? The identity remains a mystery. The property was never publicly listed. It was commissioned directly, with instructions that no media, no tours, and no access would be allowed. Only a few rare glimpses exist, enough to spark wonder and conversation. Rumors point to royalty. Others speak of a tech billionaire with global interests. But none of that really matters, because this isn't a home for someone who needs to be seen. It's for someone who already knows who they are. In a city where luxury is the starting point, this estate redefines the finish line. It's a fortress of identity, a modern castle surrounded by water, guarded by silence, and designed with purpose. Would you live in a place like this? Or is it too far, even for someone who can afford anything? Sometimes the things we build say more than the words we speak. This is Dubai, a city of dreams, and this is the dream built for those who no longer need to chase one. Subscribe to Dubai Vibes TV for more rare stories, luxurious places, and a deeper look into the city that never stops surprising the world.